I'm going to talk about some new products that I tried and loved in February. This is a very unique product. The fragrance is so gorgeous. Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So with today's video, I'm starting with something new. I'm going to start a monthly favorite series, and in that, at the end of every month, I'm going to talk to you about the new products that I've tried in that month. And this is not going to be restricted to just makeup. I'm going to talk about makeup, skincare, hair care, anything in general. It's not going to be just beauty related. I'm going to talk about anything and everything that I loved during that month. I've seen a lot of YouTubers do this, and as a viewer, I love watching that. So I think as a creator, I should also create such kind of videos. So today, as you're seeing this video, it's 6th of March. So for today's video, I'm going to talk about some new products that I tried and loved in February. I'm not committing to do this every month because then वो बन जाएगा कि for the sake of this video I'm just buying new products and using this. वो नहीं चाहती मैं. I want the content of this series to be genuine. So for that reason I'm going to do this like एक महीने में अगर मेरे पास enough products हो गए to show, then I'll talk about that at the end of 1 month. और अगर कभी नहीं हुए, then I'll talk about 2 months together. So this is how I'm going to go about with this series. Before getting to today's video, if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm Shivani and I make beauty and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more such videos. I post twice every week, and with that being said, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first product that I'm going to talk about in today's video is this shampoo by Love Beauty and Planet. It's the onion, black seed oil and patchouli hair fall control shampoo. I remember showing this product to you guys in the Republic Day sale haul that I did, and I promised कि मैं इसका review भी दूंगी. So here I am. And I absolutely love this shampoo. The main reason why I got this shampoo is because it's the hair fall control variant, and मेरा January में इतना hair fall हुआ है, like literally ऐसे करने पे इतने बाल हाथ में आते थे. It literally used to scare the crap out of me. मुझे लगता था मैं गंजी हो जाऊंगी, इतना hair fall हो रहा है. So that was a very stressful time. So because of that, I decided to give a shot to this variant, and this brand never fails me. It is true to its words. जब से मैंने यूज़ करना स्टार्ट किया है, my hair fall has gone down to like 90%. मतलब थोड़ा बहुत तो hair fall अभी भी होता ही है, वो in general सबका होता रहेगा. बट काफ़ी हद तक इससे मेरा हेयर फॉल रिड्यूस हो गया है, एंड दिस स्मेल्स सो अमेजिंग. मैं जब भी शैम्पू करके आती हूँ, जो भी आसपास होता है, एवरीवन सेज इतनी अच्छी खुशबू कहाँ से आ रही है, एंड आई लाइक देन ग्लोट अबाउट दिस शैम्पू कि मेरे बालों से आ रही है. दिस शैम्पू स्मेल्स अमेजिंग, एंड नेक्स्ट वॉश तक इसकी स्मेल आपके बालों पर रहती है. It doesn't fade away. So I love this shampoo, and I highly recommend this product to you guys if you're facing through immense hair fall. Give this a shot. The next product that I'm going to talk about is again from the bath and body category. It's the body wash from the Natural Wash or TNW. It's a mixed fruit variant, so of course it has a very fruity smell, and I love using this. If you do not like fruity fragrances, then stay away from this because इसकी बहुत strong fragrance है, and I don't mind that. I enjoy using it. In my opinion, body washes तो ज़्यादातर सब सेम ही परफॉर्म करते हैं. The only difference lies in the fragrance and the fact कि वो lather कितना करता है, and it lathers up decently. So I enjoy using this, and I would recommend this to you guys as well. This retails for 360 rupees, and it's paraben free and sulfate free. It's everything you'd want in a body care product, so you can try this out. The next product that I want to talk to you about is again from the Natural Wash. It's the TNW Hydro Boosting Toner Plus Serum. This is a very unique product. I've always used toners and serums separately, and this is the first time that I've seen something like this. इसकी consistency बहुत different है. It is not very watery like a toner, and इसकी consistency इतनी जेल लाइक भी नहीं है जैसे सीरम की होती है. It's somewhere in between, and rub this on your palm, it would emulsify, and it's just very different and it works very well. Trust me, the hydration, it has hyaluronic acid, so the hydration lasts very long, and it contains aloe vera and witch hazel. इसको अपने नॉर्मल डे टाइम या नाइट टाइम रूटीन में नहीं यूज़ करती. उसके लिए यूज़ मैं विटामिन सी एंड माई नाइसिनामाइड. वो मेरे फिक्स हैं, बट आई यूज़ दिस बिफोर मेकअप एंड आफ्टर मेकअप बिकॉज इट वर्क्स वेरी वेल टू prep my skin and keep my skin hydrated throughout जितने भी टाइम मेरे फेस पे मेकअप है. And after makeup also I need something soothing, and this relaxes my skin like anything, so I love this. Next product that I want to talk to you guys about is a lip balm. It's from Plum Goodness. It's the Candy Melts vegan lip balm. It's in the variant Red Velvet Love. I showed this product also in the Republic Day sale haul, and इसको मैंने अभी एक हफ्ता पहले ही खोला, and you can see मैंने कितना use कर लिया है. Trust me, it's an amazing product. The only drawback is इसकी packaging, because finger से dip करना पड़ता है, so it gets a little messy while using this. But the hydration is amazing. It stays long, and इसकी fragrance is so gorgeous. मतलब इसकी लिटरली बेकरी वाली स्मेल है. रेड वेलवेट इज द नेम ऑफ द फ्लेवर, एंड दैट इज हाउ इट smells लिटरली लाइक अ केक, एंड इट टेस्ट्स वेरी स्वीट एज वेल. सो आई लव यूजिंग दिस. It is a little expensive for a lip balm, but it's definitely worth it. I just wish कि इसकी packaging bullet form में होती, तो it would have been easier to use this. But I don't mind using my fingers for this. It's amazing. The next product that I want to talk to you guys about is a lipstick. It's from Sugar Cosmetics. It looks like this, and I guess the name of the range was Melted Matte. And to be honest, I did not purchase this. I got this free. I purchased 2 Sugar products, so along with that I received this as a free product, but it retails for 999 rupees. 1000 rupees की लिपस्टिक मुझे फ्री में मिली, so I got a great deal. To be honest, मुझे इससे ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशंस नहीं थी, क्योंकि जो फ्री गिफ्ट्स आते हैं नायका से वो मोस्टली वो प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं जो उनके ज़्यादा बिकते नहीं हैं. But this one did not disappoint me. It's in the shade 07 Gabriella. This is the swatch of the lipstick. If you know me, you know that I do not like bright lipsticks. I love to use brown nudes or pink nudes on my lips. That is my jam, and this is a brown pink nude mix, so I absolutely love this shade. मैं इसको individually भी लगा लेती हूँ, and I love to mix it with other lipsticks as well, and it performs wonderfully. So I would highly recommend this to you guys. The next product that I would love to talk to you guys about is this Lakme 925 foundation. Now it's not a new product. ये काफ़ी टाइम से मार्केट में है, बट मैंने अब लिया है. एंड आपने देखा होगा, अगर आप मेरी वीडियोस रेगुलरली देखते हो, तो मैं ये 2-3 बार से यूज़ कर रही हूँ. एंड राइट नाउ ऑल्सो आई हैव अप्लाइड दिस ऑन माई फेस. अभी मैं जो भी आपको प्रोडक्ट्स दिखा रही हूँ, मैंने अगर वो मेकअप या स्किन केयर से रिलेटेड है तो वो मैंने अभी अपने फेस पर अप्लाई करे हुए हैं. दिस ऑल्सो आई शोड यू इन द रिपब्लिक डे सेल हॉल, and it's a great product. For the price point, the quality of this foundation is amazing. You can see मैंने अभी apply किया हुआ है. It's not creasing, it's not looking cakey, it's just looking like a second skin. So I absolutely love this foundation. Okay, so now I'm done with the beauty related products, and I have 2 very random things to talk to you guys about. First is this super cute mirror from Miniso. It's such an adorable piece. Look at this face, it's so adorable. इसको देखते ही ऐसे मन खुश हो जाता है. अगर मैं sad भी होती हूँ ना कभी, तो इसको देख के इतना मन खुश हो जाता है. It's very pretty. This was gifted to me by my nephew on Valentine's Day. इसलिए मुझे और भी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है इसको यूज़ करते हुए. This is from Miniso, and honestly अभी गिफ्ट था तो I don't know the price, but Miniso के प्रोडक्ट्स हमेशा बहुत अच्छे ही होते हैं, बहुत यूनिक भी होते हैं, and it's very comfortable to use. So if you are into hand mirrors, you can definitely check this out. Looks very cute, it looks very attractive. ये वैनिटी में पड़ा पड़ा भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So आपको मेरी हर वीडियो में तो अभी ये दिखेगा ही दिखेगा जब तक मैं इसको यूज़ कर करके तोड़ ना दूँ. That is why I wanted to show this product in this video. This is the cutest product of this video. If I'm talking about my favorite products of the month, I had to talk about this because this is super cute. Last but not least, I'm going to talk about a coffee flavor. अगर आप मेरी वीडियोस अगेन रेगुलरली देखते हो तो इम्पल्स कॉफीज के बारे में 2 बार बात की है. एक बार आई सजेस्टेड दैट इन द वैलेंटाइंस डे गिफ्ट आइडियाज, and एक बार in my Valentine's Day vlog I gifted this to my best friend, and I ordered one for myself as well. So I'm going to talk about the flavor that I ordered for myself, the प्यार भरी chocolate raspberry. And you can see ये भी मेरी ख़त्म हो चुकी है, सिर्फ इतनी सी बची है. Once you start drinking impulse coffees, there is no going back. मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैंने इसके बारे में इतनी ज़्यादा बात कर ली है कि लोग बोर हो चुके होंगे सुन सुन के, बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू स्टॉप raving about it because this is by my favorite YouTuber, and anytime she launches a new flavor, I am going to talk about it for sure. Just because it's a brand by my favorite YouTuber, I am not being biased. The product is genuinely amazing. That is why I am talking about this. आई वॉज सो इन टू टी कि चाय से रिलेटेड मीम्स होते थे तो लोग मुझे टैग करते थे. मैं इतनी बड़ी चाय पर्सन थी, बट अब वो थी ही हो चुका है, वो पास्ट हो चुका है. बिकॉज एवर सिंस आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग दिस, आई एम अ कॉफ़ी पर्सन, एंड आई विल रिमेन अ कॉफ़ी पर्सन फ्रॉम नाउ ऑन. मुझे याद भी नहीं मैंने लास्ट चाय कब पी थी. And talking about this flavor, as the name suggests, it's chocolate raspberry. It's a blend of 3 flavors. You get coffee flavor, chocolate flavor and raspberry flavor as well. If you're not into strong coffees like espresso or mocha, you can go for this flavor because इतना ज़्यादा कॉफ़ी का एसेंस नहीं है जितना ज़्यादा इसमें raspberry और chocolate का essence है. And this would be a perfect flavor for a cold coffee or an iced coffee. To be honest, I am more into espresso and mocha, like more into strong flavors, and this is not that strong, so it did took me like 3 to 4 times to get the hang of this flavor. But I did not put this down, and दिख ही रहा आपको ये मैंने ये भी पूरी खत्म कर दी है. Obviously it's a product by Sara. I'm going to love it. Now she has combos as well, so this flavor and the Vicharo vanilla, those two flavors are kind of similar. They're more into aroma than into the essence of coffee, and they would make great cold coffees. So if you're a sweet tooth, not into caffeine, you can go for these flavors. And अगर आप strong coffees prefer करते हो तो you can go for espresso or mocha. And that's it. I had to include this in my February favorites because I ordered this on Valentine's Day for me. So love this. Okay, so that was it for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I hope you guys like the concept of this video. With every video I'm trying to bring something new to the channel so that it doesn't become a monotonous tutorial based channel. Even though I love making makeup tutorials, and I want this channel to be a space where I can share my skills and knowledge related to makeup. That is my passion. But I also want to make this channel a safe space where I can talk about anything and everything. And I also wish that through my channel I get to become a part of your life, because that's my ultimate goal, to build a community. And that is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to incorporate a lot of new stuff and not just makeup tutorials, even though I love making makeup tutorials. And if I made sense, I hope you guys understood my point. If you want any other video on any other topic, make sure to let me know. I would love to do that for you guys. And I'm going to leave a little teaser over here. Since Women's Day is around the corner, my next video is going to be a very special one. That's it. I'm not going to reveal a lot other than the fact that it's going to be a special video. So stay tuned for that. And if you like the concept of today's video, please leave a comment. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Share this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And make sure to press the bell icon as well so that every time I upload a video, you are notified. And that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.
मैंने ये पर्टिकुलर वेरिएंट इसलिए लिया था, चल रहा है ना कैमरा, shit, after makeup as well. Yeah, I'm into hot ice coffee, very good.